In this video, we're diving deep into a common issue that can cause headaches for WordPress developers: block validation errors. In this video, we're diving deep into a common issue that can cause headaches for WordPress block developers: block validation errors. You're working on your custom WordPress block, and everything seems fine until you encounter a validation error. Your block refuses to show up, and you're presented with an error message. What do you do? First, let's understand what block validation errors are. Block validation errors occur when there's a mismatch between the content saved in the database and what's expected based on the block's registered structure. WordPress checks the validity of your block's data before rendering it, and if something doesn't match, it raises a red flag. So what could trigger a block validation error? Inconsistent data structures are a common culprit. For example, if your block is supposed to contain a list of items, but the data is structured as a single string, that's a mismatch. Missing or incorrect attributes can also lead to validation errors. If your block expects certain attributes but doesn't find them or encounters unexpected attributes, it can't validate the data properly. Incorrect block registration is another potential source of trouble. If your block is not registered correctly in the WordPress environment, it can cause validation errors. Now, let's talk about how to tackle these errors. When you encounter a validation error message, don't panic. Instead, check the error message carefully. It often provides clues about what specifically went wrong. Review your block's code. Double-check the attributes, data structure, and registration to ensure everything aligns with your block's intended structure. Debugging tools like browser console logs can be your best friends. They can help you pinpoint the exact line of code causing the error. Once you've identified the issue, fix it in your code. Ensure that your block's data matches the expected format, attributes are correct, and your block is correctly registered. We've explored block validation errors in custom WordPress block development. You've learned what those errors are, common causes, and how to diagnose and resolve them effectively.